Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on replacing the battery of your Asus UX425E. Let's get started with the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to your laptop's internal components. First, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. If you have any external devices connected, remove them as well. Now, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them to reattach the panel later. It's important to note that some screws may be hidden under rubber feet, so be sure to check for any additional screws. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious as there are clips that may require some effort to release. Now that you have access to the internals, you can see the battery. The battery is typically secured with screws or clips. If it has screws, use your Phillips screwdriver again to remove them. If there are clips, gently disconnect them using your prying tool. Remember, if you're unsure about any step, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you proceed with confidence. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is usually a small cable with a connector that can be pulled straight out. Make sure to handle it with care to avoid any damage. Now, you can remove the old battery from its compartment. Set it aside safely. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area where the battery sits. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help prolong the life of your new battery. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and is aligned properly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place. Once the new battery is secured and connected, replace any screws or clips that hold it in place. After that, grab the back panel and align it properly before pressing it down to secure the clips. Finally, use your Phillips screwdriver to reattach all the screws you removed earlier. If you don't have the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Now that everything is secured, flip your laptop back over and plug it in. Power it on to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. You can check the battery status in the settings to confirm that it's recognized by the system. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery of your Asus UX425E. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your revitalized device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.